All right, everybody, how y'all doing? And welcome back to my channel. I got this a great build list for you. It's the creators build list. I'm using the RTX 3070 Ti 8 GB. I'm using the 17 LGA 1700. Yes, sir. I'm using the 1700 motherboard, and it is on the i5 12600. Yeah, 12600K. CPU by Intel. You cannot go wrong with it. I'm using the AIO from Arctic, so great build here. Just like I said, I'll be putting all the affiliate links in the description below if you want to go ahead and do this here. And if you want to make some changes, it's okay. I'm trying to keep everything into a budget, so you don't have to sit down here and go ridiculous with it. Now, to all those insane creators that likes to go ahead and do the custom water cooling, if you want to go ahead on and change out some parts, like I said, you want to go use the AIO, you can. Or if you're more comfortable using your custom water cooling, that's great from EK. That's great. You do your thing, and then once you add those custom water cooling blocks in, yeah, I seen one of my creators for using Big J from J2 Cents. Yeah, the baby beastful and massive. But this is a build. This is under 25. It's a $2,500 build list. That's the budget. You cannot go over 2,500. This is one reason why I like doing what I love to do. This price of the whole total bill is $2,492.47. So you cannot go wrong with it. All the parts are coming from Amazon. So like I said, we put the Amazon links in the description below, so y'all could go ahead on and purchase your parts, build your system, and be happy. If you got this here, money saved up already, so you know what? It's time for me to do my thing. Let me get into the creators world. Whether you want to do Twitch, whether you want to do YouTube, or any other platform you like, whether stream me out, whatever you love, this system will meet your needs right here. Okay, let's go ahead and get into the parts of this build here. These parts are well thought out by me, so I went through and thought about onto a gamer's creator's perspective that does a lot of streaming. So I may not have the Elgato streaming device in there, so if you can find one, go ahead and put that in it. But you could go ahead on it there, do your videos, and you can stream off of using YouTube, etc. This would be a great build as well for musicians who's doing the concerts in their living room, etc. Their own workstation at home. This would be good for that too. You just got to add the Elgato stream on 4K stream kit. So this is a great build list. I like it. I would like to hear y'all feedback, so just go ahead and post y'all comments to the bottom. Is this a great build list? Would you buy it, etc.? What changes I would make on it? So y'all like to hear from y'all, so just go ahead and post y'all comments in the comment description, and then I love reading. So let's get into this build list here. Alrighty. The parts I am using for this creators list is the Corsair Wireless Gaming Bundle K570 RGB Wireless Gaming Keyboard, coming at $129.99. You get the keyboard and the mouse together, so you can't go wrong with it. Now, with the case and this case fan, I'm using the case fan is the Cougar Vortex VK120 ARGB. That's $17.99. That's gonna go in the back of this here Cougar MX660 Mesh RGB Powerful Airflow. That's at $92.57. Now the case comes with 3 RGB fans, and like I said, I'm using an AIO cooler with this here build here. So you got your AIO up top, and you got this here one case RGB fan, ARGB fan that go in the back. So the case itself is $92.57. Now I love them. Like I said, I have no issues with them. This is RS Game 750 watt power supply, semi-modular, 80 plus bronze, AGV 750. That's the model, and the price of that is $49.99. Just like I said, if you don't like using RS Games, I have no issues with them. They're very budget friendly. You can go ahead and switch out the power supply to your like. If you like Corsair, Thermotake, EVGA, y'all like those three power supplies to your liking, that's good. But my choice for this build is RS Game 750 AGV 750 watt power supply. You cannot go wrong with it. And like I said, I got them all in all my builds, so I can't really have no issues with them so far. So, and they do back up their customers, so anything you could feel free to go ahead and contact them. They got the description on the box when you buy it. I did some unboxing of them, so y'all could go look those videos up, and y'all could go ahead on and see what I'm talking about. Okay, the gaming card is the Zotac Gaming GeForce RTX 3070 Ti Amp Hollow 8GB GDDR6X 256-bit 19 gigabytes per second PCIe 4.0 gaming graphic card. It is coming at $1,049.99. This is at RSP. You click on it, you just add it to your cart. It's no, click on it and let's go ahead and see the best price. No, I stay away from those. This is at Amazon retail price, so it is at $1,049. And it's at RSP, so you cannot go wrong with that. It's a good price for the card. It's a triple B, so you got triple fans, etc. If you want to read more about the products of Zotac, you can go to zotac.com, and I'll be putting a link in the description below if you want to go ahead and visit their website and learn more about their graphic cards and their products. Alrighty. I'm using Team Group MP33 Pro 2TB NVMe, coming in at $181.99. Now I'm going quad kit with this build here. It's at 64GB. I'm using the Corsair Dominant Platinum RGB 64GB. 4 16GB sticks. You cannot go wrong with it, and it is coming at $399.99. The motherboard of choice is the Azeroth Z690 Phantom Gaming 4 LGA 1700 Intel Z690. It's on DDR4, and as you see, the memory is on DDR4. I could care less about DDR5, but if you want to use DDR5, just switch out the motherboard and see can you find the DDR5 RAM of your liking. This motherboard here is coming at $179.99. The AIO cooler I'm using is the Arctic Liquid Freezer 240. Everybody use these here. They're great reviews on this. Go to their website, which I'll be putting in the link in the description below, and you can go ahead on and read it. They got great reviews on it. You can't go wrong with this here. Arctic is doing their thing. I love their air coolers. I love their case fans. You can't go wrong with this here company here. The Arctic Liquid Freezer 240 is coming in at $89.98. Now the big monster CPU is an Intel Core i5 12600K desktop processor. 10 cores. You got 6 P cores and 4 E cores. Boosts up to 4.9 gigahertz, and the TDP of this beast monster is 125 watts. The CPU itself is coming at $299.99. The total of this build here is $2,492.47. You cannot go wrong with this build here. It's a great price list I put together for all you wonderful creators out there. I know y'all doing your thing. This is what I love to do. I do the price list for you guys. I try to find the best price and in a budget scenario, so y'all can say, hey, it's a great price build. Y'all can go ahead and do your thing. It's great. Let me buy the parts and let me build my system and let me be happy. Just like I said, I do basic, mid-level, and extreme. Extreme is content creative stuff. So, and that's on multiple cores. For that, the extreme PCs, you got to be on 8 cores plus. Gaming, you can just be on 6 to 8 cores, and basic, it's just basically your 4 cores. So that's how I do it. And then there's a lot of basic PC users out there that just want to browse the internet. You know, you got your little mid gamers, so that likes to go ahead and play their games, whether it's just Fortnite, Roblox, Minecraft, a little bit of here and there. Then you got your extreme that play all that good content. They got to be at 4K resolution. So that's why I do those 3 scenarios there. I want to thank y'all for watching. Thank y'all for taking time just to go ahead and watch this video. I love y'all. You know, without y'all, there wouldn't be no me. So, also to all the viewers out there, I'd love to hear from you. I do a lot of price list build, and I know in tech world and Gamers Universe, y'all tied it together. I know y'all want to see me do the build, so I'm gonna ask all the tech enthusiasts out there and the gamers. Should I still continue to be doing price lists? Or do y'all want me to stop doing them? That's the question. Should I still continue to do price lists? Because I know you guys said build it. Y'all want to see me build them and stuff. Just like I said, I don't need to build any system for myself because my systems are running great on my basic level ends the way I built it. But to y'all gamers and tech world out there, should I still continue to do price lists or should I stop? Y'all push your comments in below on that there. I love reading, you know, I love hearing y'all feedback, you know, whether it's good or bad, you know, it's me. I love doing my thing, you know, I love giving y'all this shit, but I want to hear from y'all. I want to go ahead and close this video out. I want to say thank y'all for watching. You know, I love all of y'all, and I love my viewers. I love the subscribers I have. So without y'all, won't be no me. Hit the like button if you like this video. And I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace.